Alright guys, so the next stock for this morning is NIO, or ticker symbol NIO. I have my lines and graphs already set. We're starting from a higher time frame, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find our support and resistance lines, our entries, our exits, and all that other good stuff, okay? So pre-market, we're down almost 1%. Yesterday we closed down almost 1%. Our volume is at 212,000, so we're above that 150,000 that we like to see. I'm going to quickly go over these lines for our new viewers, so bear with me. This top line represents our major resistance line. You can see that we got rejected here in this area, in these areas. And then once we broke above what used to be resistance, we'll work as a floor on the opposite side. You can see we broke above that, came down, started bouncing off of this level till we came back underneath, tried to create a breakout, failed, pulled us all the way back down to our major support line. You look forward, we've been bouncing off of this level. That's tested 3 times. We can even back test back here. We had minor resistance on the opposite side. So these are heavily tested areas. This middle line right here is just a minor resistance and support line. You can see that we have tops underneath here, and then we see it bouncing on the opposite side. So, oh, and back here too as well, you can see it bouncing off of this level. So these are all heavily tested areas. So let's go to where we're at right now. Like I said, we're at 37.44 pre-market. So this looks really close to Tesla's. This is Tesla. This is NIO. Tesla, NIO. Very, very similar. So as of right now, with us breaking under this support line, and now we're back onto the resistance, you can see that we're starting this downward trend. We're underneath the trend line, and we're slowly pulling back to our major support line. This is at the 33. Let me move this up just a little bit. There we go. At the 34-cent or $34 area is our major support line. So if we pull back down to this 34 or $35 area, this could be a great ideal entry. Have your stop loss underneath this support line, and maybe give yourself some wiggle room just in case we have a candlestick wick like this one over here that drops below that. This will prevent you from getting tagged out and then it ultimately going higher. So at 33 or $34 is an ideal stop loss, and then like I said, your entry would be at the $34 or $33 area. Excuse me. So getting it at this moment in time, however, wouldn't be the smartest idea because we don't have a clear direction on where we're headed. Yes, we can pivot from right here and start going upwards. However, you have this resistance right here. You have to respect that. So even if we do pivot right here, we do have this minor resistance. We look left, like Beyonce says, we have all these pivots and all these tops over here. And this our overall resistance line. So if we do pivot and turn, we don't want to get in just yet. We would have to wait for us to break above this $41 area. So if we can break above that, come up and come back down and retest it as a floor, then the $41 area could make a great ideal entry. Have your stop loss on the opposite side, maybe at the $39 or $38 area, having your first stop loss. So as for your target, if you were to get back down here at the $33 or $34 area, if we do pull back, your first ideal target should be back up here at this prior resistance at the $41 area. And then your second target being all the way back up here at the $55 area. And this all depends on the type of trader you are, you guys. So if you're a day trader or scalp trader, these may be different. You would just break down to a smaller time frame and find your own targets or stop losses. However, I'm just here to give you an idea and of exactly what you're looking at. And for me to break down this chart, I'm really not here just to tell you that this is going up or down. However, more of painting the picture of what you're actually seeing, okay? I'm like the Picasso of stocks. All right. So those are the 2 ideal entries that I can give you guys as of right now. Like I said, getting in at this moment in time wouldn't really make that much sense because your first target would be up here at this minor resistance, and then after that, we don't know where we're headed. So getting in right now wouldn't be the smartest decision. So if we can come back down here and test the support level, that'd be a good entry. If we can break above this resistance and retest this support level, this could be a good entry. So if this video helps in any type of way, and you like the way I break down these charts fast and efficiently, please hit that like and subscribe button. It allows me to create this content every single morning for you guys. But other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.